everyone from day 2 of being, well, technically it's day 3 of being snowed in. So it actually started snowing Thursday afternoon. Matt was able to make it home from work. Then he was off yesterday. But this is our second day of like snow day. We did go ahead and, because it started like 1 o'clock on Thursday, we went ahead and did like a work day for Matt and me, a school day for the kids. But yesterday we just gave them like a fun snow day to play in the snow as much as they wanted. Today is a Saturday at home and we're snowed in. So we're not going anywhere, traveling anything today because the roads have black ice on them. Some of the roads have melted and they're clear. Some of the roads where the trees are growing over them are not clear. There's black ice underneath all the snow. So it's not really safe to go out right now. It's supposed to warm up a little bit more today. If it does, we'll do a drive tomorrow. But for now, we're staying home today. Breakfast so far for the kids has been, we had a little bit of leftover pineapple upside down oatmeal yesterday, and we also had leftover rice from lunch on Thursday. So what the kids did was 2 of them finished off the pineapple upside down oatmeal, and then 2 of them finished off the rice. So what they do is, on the rice, they will take like breakfast ingredients and things. I think they took some of the cherries from the pineapple upside down oatmeal and put them in, and they'll add like a little bit, I don't let them put a ton of sugar in it, but a little bit of like some kind of sweetener, either sugar or honey, their choice. We try to carry both, and that's what they're eating. Matt and I are gonna probably just eat some instant oatmeal. We bought a big pack, so we found out that our Sam's, when they change the seasons, they have some like seasonal flavors, and they'll mark them down to like 25 cents a pack for a 16 count box. Well, we'll go through a 16 count box, no problem. So that's what we're probably gonna do. There's a s'mores and there's a strawberry cheesecake. So I may go, or not strawberry cheesecake, strawberry banana. There's a strawberry banana. So I may go do that, also have some coffee, and we'll just see how today goes. Normally on at home Saturdays, it's like my one day off, because Sundays don't feel like days off. I love Sundays, but they don't feel like days off. So it's our one day to relax. Matt and I may do some more of the escape challenge room game thing that we're doing. We only made it through like 2 rooms last night because it was really hard. We did one of the dailies and it was so hard. Like there was like specific things. We think it was glitched from just like when you were trying to spin stuff, it didn't spin quite right. So I don't know. So we only made it through, no, we did make it through 3. So we're gonna look at maybe doing a couple more of those rooms today. Escape Simulator, that's what it is. We bought it on Steam. So we're looking at doing that. And also I'm gonna go have coffee. Matt bought me this new mug. Like the only thing I asked for Christmas, he's like, what do you want? I'm like, sincerely, I want a coffee mug. And it wasn't like you've seen my hoarder coffee mugs. I wanted another one that wasn't my cruise one because I was feeling like I was using it a lot and I was afraid it was gonna like get damaged from using it too much. I wanted one that would hold like 12 ounces of coffee with creamer, because I make it 12 ounces because it's not as strong and it's just enough caffeine for my broken body to be able to handle, because I have chronic illness stuff and I can't handle like full strength coffee. I can't even drink energy drinks. I can have 1 cup of coffee, sometimes 2, but it has to be made at 12 ounces and it has to have creamer in it to kind of dilute some of the acid down. So he bought me this pretty mug. Let me go show you what it looks like. The kids actually didn't finish off all the rice, so I'm gonna finish off. I may not finish all that off. I may put that aside for later as well. But basically, I make jasmine rice. It just has become our preferred is to do jasmine rice. Plus, we can get it for right under $1 a pound at Aldi's. So basically what I'm going to do is go to the fridge, and we do have orange marmalade, so I could add that to it. I can add flaxseed for the protein. Sometimes if I'm doing it for breakfast too, I might do like a dried fruit with it. If that's not enough, I might add honey to it. But basically that's all it is. Lay it out like you would like a regular oatmeal and just sweeten it as you go. It is like 1 o'clock. We ate like a brunch lunch or a breakfast brunch thing. So for lunch today, because it's 1 and we usually eat dinner around 5, 6ish, so that people have time between dinner and brushing teeth and get ready for bed and all that. We're just gonna do finger foods for today. So I'm gonna try and show you what I'm picking out. In our bottom drawer, we have tons of sliced cheeses left, where we just bought different kinds of sliced cheeses last week. We also have like 2 blocks of mozzarella, or a block of mozzarella, a block of extra sharp cheddar, which is actually supposed to be up here. So I keep cheese that specifically Matt eats up here, and then I keep the other down there. There's several sharp cheddars. There's a Swiss. This is cabbage cheese. It's actually lactose free, and I have one that's lactose free. She has to take a lactase supplement if she eats dairy. There's that, and then also apparently there's also another sliced medium cheddar. So basically I'm going to take some cheeses and lay them out. Kids also have apples that they can snack on, some fresh food. May have them do some baby carrots as well. And we also have this pack that is left over from our New Year's. That is just a multi-pack of different kinds of, can't open it, super loud, crackers. There's 6 different styles of crackers in here, and we have Cheez-Its. So just kind of like something like this, the finger foods thing. We did do the popcorn yesterday, or we do more of it today, but we're going to do this instead. One of those moments. So we're gonna do omelets tonight. See the eraser in my hand? I'm erasing it off the board. I accidentally erased the 15 and the 22. I need to put those back. So he's making coffee. But we were trying to find something to go with omelets because we don't want to just do omelets. We used to just do omelets. They're just not very filling. Everybody's still hungry. We were going to do something to go with them. But we're out of hash browns, and I was looking for fries. I thought we still had a bag of fries. We don't. What I actually found instead was apparently last time I went to Sam's, it has to be Sam's as big as this bag is, I found this. It's a bag of crispy chicken strips. So we're having crispy chicken strips for dinner. And thankfully, along with that, I can let me think. Yeah, I don't know. So because when I use the air fryer, I can't use the microwave. They share space. So I can't use both. So what I could do instead is I could do the chicken tenders. I could do, well, they're breaded. I don't know. Would you do stuffing on the side of a breaded chicken? I don't know. Let me know what you would do. Anyways, so there's breaded chicken strips to do. I could go ahead and do the yams. I have canned yams. I could do those on the stove. So we'll see. I'll just kind of start assembling it together, and I'll show you my plate whenever I'm done. So that pretty much wraps up our day after dinner. We had some downtime, alternating showers for everybody. So hopefully we can head out the door tomorrow. Depending on the road, we did. Madeline and I, oldest, went out and checked the driveway, like right as it was starting to get, or right after the sun went down, but it was still light enough to see. And it didn't look great. There was a lot of black ice. Anything under the snow was fine, like all the powdered snow that was left was fine. But where it had froze, then more snow on top of it, that underneath layer was still ice, and it wasn't even like, we have 3 kinds of snow shovels. One is like a shovel, but it's scraping, and it wouldn't even scrape off. So we have salt, but I don't like to salt unless we have to. So that's kind of where we are. Is we could get out tomorrow, might not. We'll just wait and see. We're kind of waiting to play it by ear. We'll just see how it goes. But yeah, we just kind of spent some time relaxing, downtime, showers for all the girls. I'm doing mine in the morning, and just see how it goes tomorrow. But that's it for technically day 3, but you're only seeing 2 days of snow days so far. But so day 3 of snowed in, second day of our emergency meal plan, and just enjoying time at home and relaxing at home. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.